Step 1. Set up your marketplace location. Start by visiting Amazon.com, click on Update Location, enter your shipping zip code, USA or Canada, then click Apply and Continue. Next, head over to eBay, click on Ship To, select either the UK or USA and click Done. Important: if you're dropshipping to the United States, use a valid US address or zip code. If you're dropshipping from Amazon UK, use a valid UK postal code. Make sure the address matches the country you are both shipping to and sourcing from. Step 2. Customize eBay search results. Go to ebay.com and search for any product. Now click on Customize in top right of search results. Enable seller information and item number, then click Apply. Why this matters: this allows you to see the seller's name and the item number directly in the search results. To view the product's purchase history, click the graph icon next to the listing. Step 3. Identify dropshippers. Log into Amazon.com using a valid US or UK zip or postal code. Select any product and open it. Now click the eBay automation button to search the same product on eBay. If you find the same product being sold on eBay for a higher price than Amazon, that's a drop shipper. Step 4. Analyze a drop shipper's account. Once you identify a drop shipper, click the person icon next to their name to open their profile. Turn on Total Sold History to access full sales data. Set the filter to Only scan items sold in the last 3 days. Scanning speed, 5 or below. Do not set it to 10 to avoid IP blocks from eBay. Step 5. Scan one account. Before scanning, always click Clear Titles. Now click Extract All Titles to begin. EcomSniper will automatically extract all titles of recently sold products. Once the scan is complete, click Filter Titles to view the results. Step 6. Save multiple seller accounts. Go to Amazon Bestsellers and choose a product. Click the eBay automation button to find matching listings. Then click the Save button, floppy disk icon, next to each dropshipper you find. Build a list of at least 200 to 500 seller accounts for deeper, more effective research. The more sellers you save, the more likely you are to discover winning products. Step 7. Scan multiple seller accounts. Once you've built your list of sellers, open EcomSniper and go to Open Competitor Research. Your saved seller accounts will be displayed. Before starting the scan, click Reset. Set scan position to 1, click Run, and let EcomSniper do the rest. It will automatically scan all sold items from your saved sellers. Once complete, your scan position will match your seller count. To view the results, click Show All Items. Step 8. Filter the results. Use the following filters to find hot-selling, trending items. Minimum 3 sales in the last 3 days. Minimum 10 sales in the last 30 days. You can also input keywords to narrow down your search. Why this works: recent sales data helps identify high-demand trending products. Avoid relying on outdated data from 30 or 90 days ago. It may no longer be relevant.